a boon or bane? What are the advantages and disadvantages of large population? Who would like to begin? Who would like to start? Yes, I would like to start. Yes, beta. Who would like to start? Okay, let's begin with her.
Uh, Hi everyone, I am Sarita and I would like to say that population about the population increase day by day and the very serious and it is a very serious topic and in my opinion that population increase the unemployment also because you can say that nowadays many of people are unemployed. You can see in a government job there is only some vacancies but more million people also fill the form for their job also. And when the population, if population increase day by day, so I think it will and when we are facing the problem also the water shortage and air population also. So in my opinion that population is a ban for us.
Okay, she holds good opinion means population is not an advant means is not good for the nation because it is a burden on the natural resources of that particular country. You find that in India we have got large number of people and these large number of people need water, they need electricity, they need you can say other natural resources for the survival. But in India they are available in limitation. So somewhere we have to import them. We have to import them and because of this we are spending a lot of money and our economy is still growing even after 70 years of freedom. Somewhere she is right. Okay, who would like to speak next? Who would like to speak next? Yes ma'am, what is your opinion?
Hello, I'm also against the population because it can reduce our way of living because it impact of our living like all people needs foods, electricity, educations. If we have short amount of people, we can have good educations and good environment for living because all the people want to go by the car or by their own vehicles and because of them we are having very much pollution for our nation and it is bad for our health as well. So I think less people make a good environment for our living.
Well, Anji. Means she has spoken very well. You find that we have got large number of people and these large number of people need more vehicles, more trains, more planes. It means we need everything in large quantity and because of that a lot of pollution is created and somewhere we are facing this. Nearby Diwali you find that it is difficult to breathe. It is difficult to breathe in air. Are you getting my point? Especially in NCR, means it converts into a gas chamber and we have to close the schools and colleges also for the safety of the students. So somewhere it has become a big problem for us because these number of people, this huge population is creating a lot of pollution and this pollution is making us sick with every passing day. Okay, what is your opinion?
Good morning, everyone. As per my opinion, I am in favor of India is a boon for in the population is a boon because as per my knowledge, India has a overall large number of youth population and because of that it's channelizing the massive development in different sector. So I think if government allow many youth to participate in different kind of jobs and role and number of vacancies in different kind of sectors. So I think it benefit the India economy.
Okay, he holds the opinion this huge population, this big population is not a burden. Somewhere it is for, means it is you can say a resource for us. You can say the asset for us. You find that because of this population or because of this big population, we have got a big market. And because of that big market, other countries are investing in India. For an example, automobile sector of India. You find that right now we have got a very strong automobile sector across the world. Why? Because we are buying the cars. Luxury cars are also there. Luxury market of India is also growing. So somewhere this huge population is his huge population is market for us, and because of this market we are becoming rich because we are getting investment of because of this. Yes beta, what is your opinion? What would you like to say? What are the advantages, disadvantages?
People say Diwali time more much pollution, but every day much pollution.
Okay, so you would like to say that means at the time of the Diwali, means there is a much population. This is said by the people, but there is a population every day. You would like to say, beta, but we are saying that it is happening because of this large population. You find that in the Ballaghat. If I talk about the Ballaghat, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Noida, this NCR area, don't you find that people have stuffed in a particular area like anything? You find that in this colony only thousands and lakhs people are living. If you go to any public place, you find that there are long queues of people. If you go to administrative blocks of India, of any city, you find there people, only people. So don't you find that because of this overpopulation, our resources have been burdened by this huge population. We have got one doctor on 2,000 or more than 2,000 people. Teachers, there's a shortage of teachers. Bridges, houses, sewage system. Don't you find that it is happening because of this large population? If we make one bridge, then requirement of the new one arises. Then second, then third. There is a statistics. Population increases in multiplication of 2. And beta, your infrastructure increases in the multiplication of 1. For an example, when 2 people takes birth, then 1% or 2% increment in the infrastructure. Are you getting my point? So don't you find that this huge population is increasing at such a rate, we are unable to match the demand of the population. We are unable to match the demand of population. Okay, I will come to you later. Okay, beta, what is your opinion? What would you like to say? Is it an asset or burden for this nation?
Sir, first of all, I want to add one more point. As the former speaker said, like the large population, it can be a asset for us because it create a huge market. Like it is not for bad for us because it is not about the population, large population. It is all about how we manage it. If we give a proper guidance, skill training and job, it will create a huge market like China, India, China upskill their worker and create a manufacturing superpower.
But don't you find that in 1970, in 1970 they adopted the one-child policy. And in the last 30 and the 40 years, they have reduced their population to half. If they had not adopted this policy, they would have become more than 200 crore or more than 250 crores. They could not develop. But they understood this means we have to control our population. Means they have been controlling it for more than 50 and 60 years. They started in 1970, 30 years, 20 years, 50 years. They have been working on this. And still, they are the second largest populated country. So don't you find that if they had not controlled their population, they would not have become developed? If they had not developed their population, they would not have become developed. They are developed today because they have got less people in their country. And these less people are using less resources. Yes, beta, what is your opinion?
Sir, I think, as you all know, our country population increases day by day and resources are limited. So I think we government apply a rule for one child policy.
But you must have heard about a country named China.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, you must have heard about a country named Canada,
Yes, sir.
Dubai,
Yes, sir.
UAE,
Yes, sir.
Qatar.
Yes, sir.
Beta, they are completely dependent on India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan because they don't have people for the blue collar jobs. They don't have for the blue collar jobs. It means they don't have workers to work in the companies. They don't have workers for the construction work. They don't have workers for the domestic help. So don't you find that because of this large population, we have got all types of workers. We have got people to manufacture the goods. China have become a developed nation. Why? Because they have got workers to work in the company.
But sir, I think if we have limited population, we all our work, their
There are
education.
two things are there made by China, bought by China. When you talk about the resources, I would like to tell you resources can be bought.
Yes.
For example, if you are a powerful country, Venezuela has got the largest